My friend asked me, "Are you worried about losing your job since AI is now widely applied?" I gave her a firm no. It's human nature to keep ourselves occupied, and technology only makes us busier. Think about messenger apps. They make chatting easier, but now you are always reachable, with basically no me time anymore. While setting up my Twitch and YouTube channels, I've had new thoughts about Gen AI. It's great for creating art, but AI still struggles with natural language. After trying various apps and prompts to generate an image of hands typing on a keyboard, I got mixed results. Sometimes learning digital drawing or hiring a designer seems more efficient. In summary, in this era of Gen AI booming, people don't need to fear their jobs being replaced by AI. Instead, learning to communicate with AI is now crucial. A fitting job title might be prompt engineer, or as we said in Chinese, AI 咏唱师.